So guys, for the design for our pom pom design, what we need is I use this one, a bigger yarn, and then of course I cut already, which is this big. So we will see. So about 50 to 52 cm. So all of this. So I got here already three. I got three already. I already prepared. So our pliers and round nose, we have two different shape, and of course our pearl bead and our hook and pins. So I used three pins. So let's start. Of course, scissor. Don't forget about the scissor, guys. So what we have to do is this. Should do this way, and then slowly grab each up. It's fine if ever it happens, guys, because as long as you won't mix it with the rest of the yarns that we prepared. So we are we can, so we are sure that we are just using enough. So this is the cardboard. Of course, the cardboard, guys, I forgot to include in the materials. So what you have to do is this one. It's just one of the yarns that I prepared already. So because we will be making 3 pom poms at least. And then grab it out. You can also use a fork because fork has holes, of course, if you will do it like this. So when you tie them up, it's easier. But in my guide, I used yesterday the cardboard, so I have to use it also right now. So we are sure with so tie them up. We should make sure that we are tying them so tightly. Okay, and of course we will do this so we can cut them with our base. And now grab the scissor and hold it like that. Press, guys, sorry for my nails. I haven't had time yet to fix my nail polish. I still have to pick my child any moment also from school. So that's it, guys, and that's just make sure that everything was properly cut. We'll see if, yeah, perfect. You can make finalization and all, and that's it. So this is our pom pom. That's how easy to make pom pom, and I will finish now, guys, and I will show you later how to make it. So guys, now our pom pom are complete, so we are going to proceed now. So first, grab the pin, and you should look, guys, this is where we tie them, so you should insert it here. Grab the pearl, fold, and that's it. So I do the same to the rest. That's it, guys. How easy it is. So here is our earrings, pom-pom earrings, layered pom-pom earrings. And now we will proceed to this, guys. Our pearl earrings. So materials that we need: two of this big head pearl, also two of this one, and one of the smallest. So it depends on you guys how you will make it. And also pins. Pins. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 5. And of course, our hook. So let's proceed. Let's begin. Super easy, guys, I swear. And the last one. And yay! So there it is. There it is, guys, our two types of earrings with pearl